for the new mobile devices that are going to be replacing our desktop computers, we need to make sure everybody knows that if your desktop happens to look like this, if you are a desktop file saver, these are going to need to be migrated to your network drive so that you don't lose them when your PC is removed. So it's actually a pretty simple process. Basically, all we're going to do is we're going to right click on, if I can find some empty space on this desktop, and we are going to create a new folder. It's important that you give that folder a name that you're going to be able to recognize and find in the future. So in this case, I might just call it Desktop Files 2021, or maybe Desktop Transfer 2021, something that you're going to recognize. We are then going to take every single file on this desktop, which I just click and drag to highlight everything. You can also use Control. If I hold down Control, I can go and click these ones that I wasn't able to get, and we can just get everything fully highlighted, and then we're just going to click one of them. This is a left click, and drag it into that folder. Now everything is in this folder. As you can see, once we have all the files placed into the transfer folder, we are then going to right click and drag to the network My Documents folder. And when you let go, you'll notice these options. You're going to want to select Move Here rather than Copy Here. If you select Copy Here, it's not the end of the world. It's just going to make copies of everything. And if you have large files on your desktop, that could take a decent amount of time. Plus, then you have duplicates, some still left on your desktop and some into your network drive. So we're just going to click Move Here. It's then going to transfer all our files. It's going to remove it off the desktop. And you'll notice that when you go into My Documents, that folder, Desktop Files 2021, is now placed into your network drive and will be there even after the desktop PC has been switched out for the new mobile device. If you have any questions about how to go about transferring those files, I'm sure there's probably a tech-savvy neighbor, or maybe your media specialist or your coach. I'm sure there's somebody there to help you. If not, you can contact the service desk.